Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. So this issue can be frustrating, so let's get right into the fixes. First of all, make sure your iPhone is not trying to connect to a VPN. Sometimes a VPN can prevent your phone from joining a Wi-Fi network. So open up settings. Inside here, simply look for personal hotspot. And if you see a VPN turn on, switch it off. You can also simply tap on General, scroll below to VPN and Device Management, and tap on VPN. Then, if the switch is turned on, simply turn it off. You can even delete VPN completely to test if that fixes the issue. If your Wi-Fi still isn't working, head back to Settings, scroll below, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services. Now inside here, scroll below and then simply select System Services. And now inside here, you can try turning off network and wireless. Confirm your choice when prompted and restart your iPhone. This helps refresh the system. To restart, you quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the power button on the very right side. Keep holding it until the screen goes black. Release the button once you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone restarts, you can try connecting to Wi-Fi again. If it still does not work, there's the last thing you can try. Inside Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now simply choose Reset a Network Setting. This will reset all Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, but it won't delete your personal data. After this, you can try connecting to Wi-Fi again. In most cases, that should fix the problem. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.